Hello, hi, namaste. तपाईँ हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ युट्युब च्यानल चुलो रेसिपी। आउनु सुरु गरौँ आजको भिडियो चिकन चाउमिन। हजुर, चिकन चाउमिनको रेसिपी तपाईहरुलाई भन्दैछु र फर्स्ट अफ अल तपाईले फ्राई गर्नुपर्ने छ चिकन लाइक गोल्डन ब्राउन. ओके, when you get golden brown you keep aside a chicken, then you start to saute the vegetable. We have a garlic, then we have a bell pepper, we have a sliced onion, uh, and we have a egg noodles, fresh coriander, and going to saute garlic. Okay, we saute a little bit. When it get brown, we add onion. Then after onion, again we saute a little bit. So we toast it a little bit like a brown. Brown. So, and then again we add bell pepper, and bell pepper also you have to cook little bit, not too much. If you cook too much, it's not nice. We need to cook little bit sometime, like 1 minute. Then we have to add chow mein, like Indian spicy, like a coriander powder, cumin powder. So we're going to add cumin powder and coriander powder. So first of all we going to add coriander powder. Okay, coriander powder 1 teaspoon. Then we're going to add cumin powder, same 1 teaspoon. Then if you like to add chili powder you can add, but I'm not going to add chili powder. So we add already noodles. So after these noodles you can add soya sauce and salt, pepper, and it's ready to eat, almost ready to eat. So I'm going to add chicken here, and I'm going to add a little bit cabbage also. I have a side on the side cabbage slice. So I'm going to add chicken first, then I will add cabbage slice also. It will be very nice, tasty chow mein, chicken chow mein. So I add already chicken, you see that. So we're going to add cabbage, some cabbage. Then I just toast a little bit. Then I'm going to serve this chicken chow mein. We can eat with tomato ketchup if you like it hot and spicy. You can add spicy sauce like Tabasco sauce, anything. So this is the my simple recipe for chow mein. Thank you for watching Chulo recipe. If you want more recipe, please subscribe and like, comment, please. Thank you. Hello, hi, namaste. तपाईँ हेर्दै हुनुहुन्छ